Let's go. Yes. Huh?
Consider it done.
Glad to assist.
Bringen Sie mir umgehend die Dokumentation zum Ausbau des Bunkers.
Natürlich, Herr Feldwebel. Ich mache mich sofort auf den Weg.
Affirmative.
What's the best course of action?
Glad to assist.
Yes.
Glad to assist. Understood. Let's go. Uh-huh. Affirmative. Affirmative.
Aha.
Das kannst du laut sagen.
On the move. Okay. Yep.
Angeblich ist Verstärkung im Anmarsch. Sie treffen aber wohl erst in einigen Wochen hier ein. Wir sind hier auch am Arsch der Welt.
So that's it then?
It's done. The wickedness of the Speerspitze has been wiped out. At last. It is thanks to you, all of you, that their evil hasn't spread further.
You should know by now. There's no way we'd let such bastards run rampage.
What will you do now?
I will return to France and see that the Bosch return back to where they came from.
Best of luck.
If you happen to face another group of maniac crowds, you know where to find us.
Sergeant Blackwood's right. The war is far from over, and your expertise is a great asset to all of us. But more important, you have become someone I am proud to call my friend. What do you think about staying? We could bring the Nazis to their knees. Not just in France, but everywhere.
You honor me, my friend. You know, all of us together, we might actually stand a chance.